Okay, so tub went a little bit south, but we did our initial treatment here, which was just some bleach and vinegar. And now I'll show you the quick clean method for the Infinity filter. Take that off. And actually just take the lid. Looks like one more. Okay. It's also going to make sure that your tub is off, but anyway, there's one. And okay, so there, our filters are cleaned out and we're ready to go again. See, that took less than 5 minutes. And there you can actually see the dirty water.